Hey tubers, Ghost Wolf 86 here at the river with the freighter G3 Marquis coming from Port Colborne and going to Port Cartier. So let's follow the G3 Marquis as she goes up the river.
It's almost like the same thing, just a little bit different.
Yep. She's the same kind of class as the other one.
Okay.
It's called the freighter class that it is. It's called an Equinox class freighter. So there's some that look exactly alike, but different.
Yeah.
She's riding high, so I think.
I ain't never seen so many ships.
Oh yeah. Yeah, she's riding high, so she's going to get a load. Might hear some horn blast. There's a couple boats in its way. Catch a buzz while you're catching a freighter.
See ya.
Maybe.
You're too busy looking at the guys in the boats.
More than likely.
They're so blasé, these guys in the boats. They don't care.
No. You just missed it. The Algoma Strongfield came through down that way.
Yeah.
She was sitting right here, and there was like 4 or 5 boats. She's laying on that horn. But do the boats care? No. Yep. This ship's going from Port Colborne to Port Cartier.
Okay.
She's going to get a load. She's riding high, so she's empty.
Yeah.
Yep, she's got an empty belly. Now she's going to go get it full of cargo. Yes, sir. Nervous wreck.
pissed off as hell.
Oh yes.
I'm sure there's blue smoke in the wheelhouse.
Oh yeah. They don't care.
You take a lot of pictures of ships?
Oh yeah.
I know these ships are. Think that screws up the fish?
I don't know. Man, we're listening to the G3 Marquis really telling these boats, get out of my way. I'm here. These boats can't stop on a dime. There's the Edwin H. Scott.
Oh yeah. Good day, hey?
Oh yeah. This is boat 5 and 6 for me.
Today.
Yes. Yep, that one's going, the Scott's going to Duluth Superior
Okay.
from Detroit. So I'm assuming she dropped off a load there.
Load of ore probably.
Ore or coal.
Yeah.
And then she might be going to get another load.
Okay, so here's a question for you. How many 1,000-footers we got left?
13.
Not anymore. Well,
There's still
or how many are running? How many are laid up?
all of them actually. All the 1,000-footers are out.
Okay.
Biggest being the Paul Archer girth head,
Yeah.
1,013 and a half.
Yeah.
And only one of those 1,000-footers is a tug and barge combo, and that would be the Presque Isle.
Yeah. Well, have a good day.
You too, sir.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. by and enjoy this video of the freighter G3 Marquis. Please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Who knows what I'll come up with next. And also, subscribe to Super Ships and all the other freighter channels that you see. Who knows what they'll come up with next. I sure like it. Bye.